Welcome to Virtual Learning Lab. Today we'll be discussing about operators in C plus and C language. So operators can be classified into 5 different categories, like mathematical, which can be used for making arithmetic calculations, relationship, relation, assignment, logical, and bitwise. We'll be discussing one by one in consecutive slides. Now first understand what is the arithmetic operators. They are following operators available in C programming language for doing the arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiply, divide, modular, plus, incremental operators, and decremental operators. We'll be seeing the examples in our practicals. Hence plus, the same like we are doing in math. A plus B will give 30 if you are saying A is 10 and B is 20. Subsequently, examples are there. If you are using A plus plus, means we are increasing the value of A by 1. It give you what? 11, because A initial value is 10. Now relational operators can be classified into following examples. You can say operators. Equal to can be used for comparison of two variables, returning you a true or false value. If I am saying A is 10, B is 20, if I say A equal to B, it's not true because A is not equal to B, and not equal to means we are verifying whether it's left hand and right side value are equal or not. We take the same examples. If A is 10, B is 20, if I say A not equal to B is true, then same like greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Same like values we can compare. The assignment operators are same like equal to, means we are assigning value of A plus B into C, which means if I am saying A is 10, B is 20, C will be A plus B is 30. Plus equal to operators, we are saying C plus equal to A is equal to C plus A. Hence we are retaining C value and adding the A value into that and reassigning the value to C. Then same like divide equal to, multiply equal to. We have discussed already. Examples are here. Same examples are available in your notes. You can refer your e-notes for the better clarity. Or operator, and operator. If you want to see, we want to verify two conditions simultaneously, we can use AND operators. If you want to verify whether either of the conditions is true, we can verify OR operator. It's not operator because you can verify it. Bitwise operator can be used for getting the values. Binary AND operator copies the bit of result of when existing both operands. If both are equivalent, then give you equal value, otherwise we'll be discussing the same in subsequent sessions. In arithmetic operator example, we can see similarly include a stdio event, our standard file main, int A equal to 21, B is 1, C is a normal variable. I'm saying C equal to A plus B. It show you what? 31, because 21 plus 10 is 31. Subsequently, all arithmetic operators are used. Subsequent examples are there. Let's see this practical. I'm creating a particular plus operator which is equal to a plus b. I'm saying if it's okay, int f result of a plus b is I'm saying placeholder b. I want to print this numeric value which is available in C. Get CS, we're holding cursor. I'm just compiling it first. Alt F9. It's showing get CS not there because we have not saved it as .c file. Let's first save it. I'm saying saving it as operator 1.c. Now let's compile it. Compiled successfully. Now let's see the output. It shows a plus b is 31 because a is 21 and b is 10. It's making it total is 31. So we have taken the example of plus. Subsequently we can try the example of all operators. Then for relation example we can relation operator we can verify via if condition check. Likewise if I are saying int 21b and subsequently we are saying if a is equal to b means if you are saying a is equal to b, then print a is equal to b, and subsequently we can verify greater than, less than, and less than equal to. So let's verify the if operators first. Say I'm checking it, I'm removing this. Say if a is equal to b, you can use parenthesis if I'm making multiple statement into against the if. Otherwise you can use without we can use printf without parenthesis also. B, I'm saying else printf a is not equal to b. I'm using CLSCR for clearing skill. Let's compile it first. Sorry, we have to take it from here. Declaration should be the first statement. So let's see the output. A is not equal to b because a is 21, b is 10. So if I make both the values similar, a is equal to b. So similarly we can try it for other operators greater than, less than, and subsequent operators can be tried out. And if you are saying if you are verifying two consecutive statements, so you can verify using the AND operator, and OR operator can be used. Let's see the example of AND statement first. Say I'm taking C. So I'm saying A is equal to B and B is equal to C, and B is equal to C, and B is not equal to C. So what I'm checking A is equal to B, and both the statements should be true. B is equal to C, which is not true. Though A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. So the else statement will get executed. A is not equal to A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. Okay, let's try it. A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. If I say all three variable carrying the same value, so no, A is equal to B and B is equal to C. So OR and operator is there. So subsequently we can use the OR operator. If either of the statement true, we show the output. If neither of the statement is true, nor let's compile it. Is sorry, I have to check the message. So because one of the statement true, it's showing the same. So if I make all statement false, say 1, I say 2, then else will be get executed. Either A is equal to B or not B is equal to C. So both the statements are false. If statement, we have nested if we have multiple ifs, we are checking one statement and subsequently we can check the multiple if statements. We will be seeing this statement in subsequent sessions. Same like take the example of if we are A is equal to 10, I am checking if A is greater than B, the condition is true, else this condition would be get printed. In this case, A is less than 20, yes, A is less than 20 is true. So subsequently conditions get true or false. Now if you have multiple ifs, we can use else if statements. Likewise, say if A is equal to B, print this, otherwise check other statement. If else if A is equal to 10, it is not equal to 5, but let's check whether A is equal to 10. If yes, otherwise subsequently is neither this statement or no, this statement is true. So subsequently you can see condition 1 is true, then print the output, otherwise check the second one, then print the subsequent if otherwise the all else statement will get printed. Nested if means you are checking multiple ifs into single statement. Suppose I am saying if A is equal to 5, check if it is true, then consecutive statement get verified. B is equal to 10, the print value of B is equal to 10. Else B value of B is not equal to 5, but is not no, I suppose it's a spelling mistake. It's a text printing mistake. Value of A is equal to 5 because it's true, that's why it's coming here to 5, but it's not equal to 10, because if it is equal to 10, that this message will be printed. So in nested if, what we are doing, we are saying condition 1 get true, then again we are saying condition 2 get verified. If condition is true, verify the condition 2 also, then subsequent discussion will take care. Now we have a switch statement. If you have multiple static value verifications, we can use a switch statements. What is this help you to develop as a developer? Let's understand. A switch statement allow a variable to be tested for equally against the list of values. Likewise, we are saying the day of week will be shall be verified. So if a user putting 0, I should say display Sunday, 1 for Monday, subsequently I can display the name of weekdays. For this type of cases, we can use the switch statements. The following rules apply to switch statements. Expression used in a switch statement must have a integral or enumerated value, or a class type which has a single conversion function, or integer enumerator type. You can have any number of case statement within the switch. Each case is followed by the value to be compared to and a colon. constant expression, and the case must be same data type as variable in switch. Means what we are verifying, the data type should be same in all check statements. If you are verifying the integer value, then all verification should be on integer type value only. When the variable been switched on a equal case, the statement of following case will be executed and the break statement executed. It'll check one by one, top to bottom. If any of the statement get true, it will print the subsequent masses. Otherwise, the default masses get printed. When a break statement is reached, the switch terminates. Not every case need to be contain a break. If no break appears, the flow of control will fail through the subsequent case until the break is reached. Let's execute all the statement till the break statement is available. Switch statement can have option default case which must appear at the end of the switch. The default case can be used for performing a task when none of the case is true. No break is needed in default case because this is the last statement of the switch statement. Take an example. I'm saying I'm verifying the grade of person, say carry type grade B. Checking grade, switch case A. If it is A, it print excellent. It's case B, print well done. Then subsequently values are there, and if you can notice, its break is there after each case. Subsequent values are there. See the practical of switch statement. See, I'm verifying the C variable. Suppose as it is integer, I should not put the single quotes. I say if it's 1, printf break case 2. If it is 2, print case 3 colon printf the message which you want to print, break statement default if none of the above statement met. Let's try it now. I'm having value of C1, so 1 should be displayed. Let's try it. 1. So if I say it is 4, which is not, oh, I must save it, no issue. Now you can understand. So I verify whether case statement is 1 is true, then subsequent message, and otherwise default guesses get printed. Thank you. Have a nice day. You can refer your e-notes for further descriptive explanation of your operators and the if and switch.